Hi, Glenn here from GMT Pointing Specialist Limited. Right, I thought I'd do a little video on my pointing hods because I keep getting asked where I get them from. Right, I've used these for nearly 30 years. Very lightweight, easy to clean, durable. So you can either go on eBay and put in mini pointing hods, or you can see that. And if you put C&E supplies, they're in Facebook as well. But I highly recommend them. And they do other pointing tools as well. So give them a ring or give them a message. Thank you.